So if sitting brings on our pain, and I don't know, let's say 15 minutes worth of sitting. So if you sit down for 15 minutes and your pain comes on, you can have as strong a core as you like. That does not mean that your lower back pain is going to be reduced when you sit for longer than 15 minutes. So we have to come to that understanding. There are limitations to what exercise can do for lower back pain. But if we learn about lower back pain, if we learn about the role of exercise within that, then we can start using exercise to our advantage rather than our detriment, because there are a lot of people out there who are prescribing exercise as a means of, well, greater health and fitness, but also as a rehabilitation tool. But it's generally not exercise on its own, that is the rehabilitation tool.